Today the Congress party has come to the ACP in Vijayawada because in Andhra Pradesh recently we saw that in 2021 itself there was corruption involved between Adani and the then Chief Minister Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy to the tune of 1750 crores of rupees. Yet until today no action is being taken either by the central government or the state government. It is a shame that this corruption has come to light not in our country, not in our state, but somewhere in America. The FBI had to discover, their United States Securities and Exchange Commission had to file a case for this corruption to come to light. It is indeed a shame that our Indian agencies like CBI, ED were not able to discover corruption to the tune of 1,750 crores of rupees. Therefore, we have come here to the Anti-Corruption Bureau in Vijayawada. We have given a representation. We have asked them to start investigation. But we are asking Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, this is a yellow cage signifying that Mr. Chandrababu Naidu is holding, the Chief Minister is holding the ACB in a cage. ACB is not being able to do anything. CBI is not being able to do anything. ED is not able to do anything only because those in authority in the central government and the state government are holding these institutions in a cage. This is not right. If this deal goes through as it was planned with the tainted corruption that it is so involved in, then the burden is going to fall on the people of Andhra Pradesh. And we do not want this. The price that Mr. Adani quoted is higher than that quoted in Gujarat, and this price has been locked for 25 years, which means even though the solar prices will come down in the next few years, Andhra Pradesh people will still have to continue paying the locked-in hiked price for 25 years. This is not right. So we are demanding, Congress party is demanding that Mr. Chandrababu Naidu release the ACB from his cage and allow an investigation that will prove if the corruption is indeed right and true, and if it is, then this deal has to be cancelled.
Reddy said that he'll be raising issues of farmers out here in Andhra Pradesh. What's your say on that?
My question to Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy is, what did you do the 5 years that you were in power? Mr. Rajshekar Reddy used to have Praja Darbar that he attended every single day while he was in power. Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy did not even conduct one Praja Darbar, not even one day that he was in power. Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy was only enjoying his lavish life in the palace that he had built, and the government was asleep. And now Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy, because of his misrule, because to the same farmers he had promised that he would set aside 3,000 crores of rupees every year, stabilization of crop prices, and 4,000 crores of rupees crop loss, which he did not do even 1 year. Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy even refused to give drip irrigation, and that's why he was voted out of power. And now seems like Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy has come back to his senses. Yes, it is a good thing. Please fight for the people. You are in politics for the people, and looks like power does not suit you. As long as you are in power, you did nothing for the people. So it is a good thing that you are out of power and now looking back to the people.
Kakinada Infrastructure Private Limited chairman have come to the CID in regarding with the bribery allegations, and they have threatened him for the stakes to Aurobindo company. What do you have to say?
It has come to light that Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy, while he was in power, he harassed the owners of Kakinada port and forced them to give that share to his people, Aurobindo or whoever Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy had named. But Congress party is alleging that this harassment, this bulldozing and taking of the shares did not happen only in the Kakinada port. It happened in the Krishnapatnam port as well. It happened in the Gangavaram port as well. Gangavaram port, the tragedy is that that share belonged to the government. While government held shares in Gangavaram port, Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy shares worth more than 9,000 crores were given away to Mr. Adani for only 632 crores if I remember right. Mr. Rajshekar Reddy was, when he was Chief Minister, intended that in 30 years this port should come back to the hands of the AP government. But Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy ruining that prospects. Now the port is never going to come back to the state of AP again because Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy has sold it for peanuts to Mr. Adani. So if an inquiry is being conducted into the Kakinada port share bulldozing and taking of those shares, then an inquiry should be conducted also into Krishnapatnam and into the Gangavaram port also.